Hey, I'm going to give you a quick overview about SEO, XML map, and how to boost your rankings on Google search when people are looking for your site or looking for a service like your site. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the pages. On each page, you could give the page a custom name that will boost your site on Google for your Google rank. So right now we're talking about SEO mostly, and everything could be customized just to get you to that top rank locally or nationally if you want to. Locally will probably be more easier for you to do. So on our affiliate page, you see that we have meta title, meta description, and each of these could be optimized just to improve your ranking. You could put keywords, you could search for keywords. There's tools like Moz, ARF that you could take your time and do this individually, or you could have our specialized SEO optimizers do this for you and give you a boost. Another thing that we really use besides these meta keywords and meta descriptions for the site is our blog. So I'm gonna go over here and check that out for you guys. So um, these blogs could be doing the same thing for you as well by helping you get content that will help you get more users, more traffic to your site. And you can also optimize these blogs with keywords so they just rank higher. So it might be how to sell your old iPhone. You'll make a blog like that, give people easy steps, put keywords in there, and this will boost your Google rank. You could check some of our blog information out, and we'll show you how to add these. That's what I'm doing right now. You can pretty much put any title, any description, um, and you could put a picture there. You could label that picture so when people search for pictures on Google, this will even pop up. You could put all the keywords that you need in here into your blog. There's more tools that can help you, but we just give you the blog that you can optimize, and you can also optimize your titles as well. But there's a lot of resources to help you learn about SEO on Google or YouTube. We just give you the tools that you need to optimize your site. So that's just a quick overview and insight into SEO and the meta tags and meta descriptions and the blogs on our site. Just check this out, and you can start adding blogs more about your business and giving people interesting content so they just stick to your page. And from there, you'll get more loyal clients.